Hey guys, welcome to Moto Detail Behind the Build, episode 2. As always, Nate the Shooter's with me, and today on this episode, it's all about the internal teardown. That's right, we're going to be stripping out the full interior to get it prepped and ready to be sent off to get reupholstered. So we're ripping everything out. Follow us on this journey. Let's get it.
Let's go! First things first, gonna have to remove the front seats. There's 4 location pins, bolts. Take them out. Front seats comes out. Work our way to the back. Then we take the mats out, headliner, door cards, everything's gotta go. Let's get into it.
Alright, so basically what we figured out is that it's easier to work on the back and pull the back chair out to give us more space to get in to remove these front seats, because the front seats are actually a bit of a nightmare. I want my tail back and forth, I want my tail back and forth, I want my tail, where my tail, where my tail back and forth. Well, that's it guys, job done for today. The interior's been fully stripped back, chairs are ready to be dropped off to the upholsterers, the carpet's been ripped out, stereo system's been ripped out. We're basically back to bare metal. So that kind of draws the video to a conclusion for this episode. As always, stay tuned for the next one, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.
See ya!